Garu and Jasti Garu to highlight one issue related to the industry. One of the oldest industrial estate, Katidar Industrial Estate. Sir, since PCB members, officers also there, and our secretary is also there, environment, and as Jayesh Ranjan has said that he will be always be intervened and we can take initiative to help the industry as well as to protect the environment. Sir, in the Katidar Industrial Estate, one of the oldest industrial estate, most of the MSME industries, non-polluting industries, they doesn't have the license. They pay commercial taxes, they pay central excise, they pay inspector of factories license, trade license, property tax, everything, but they doesn't have the industrial license. That is SSI. They have SSI earlier, which are the part of those days. In 2006-07, the MSME has taken over, and it is a mandatory for all the MSME sector to take the MSME license. It is unfortunate that the Department of PCB and the Industries Department, both are, I cannot say what exactly they mean. They only interpret the 111 GO and say that on that ground they cannot issue MSME certificate. Sir, 111 GO is nowhere connected with the certificate. Wherever the polluting industries are there, for that the action has to be taken by the PCB or the concerned officers. For non-polluting industries, it's in general they have to give part 2 MSME. But unfortunately, both the departments, nobody take initiatives, and the representation was given so many times, but still nobody came forward to address this issue. With this, lot of entrepreneurs, they are unable to take the bank loans because nowadays even the bankers are insisting for the industry license. I request the officers here will also forward a memorandum to the next few days the concerned authorities. Request you to take initiative so that the members can benefit out of it. We are not asking the polluting industries, we are asking only the non-polluting industries, and it's a mandatory for them and it's a legitimate right for them to have the license. They are coming forward, but both the departments are not coordinating properly and they are not issuing the license. Thank you. Before I propose vote of thanks, I am happy that as all the speakers had said that today's concern, environment concern, each and every citizen is worried about the environment. I think the right time that we have to wake up and we have to do each and every bit of individual, not only as an industrialist, as a citizen, we should be the part of the safeguarding the environment issues. I thank KDR J. Kumar IFS Special Secretary Environment to be here. I also thank Jayesh Ranjan Garu to be here, having here, and most of the time I have seen Jayesh Garu giving very useful thoughts and tips to the industry in environment point of view. Thank you, sir. And I also thank Chaudhary Garu, and he is also part of the industry, and the most important laws which has to be followed by the industry. Maybe even though as an industrialist, even though my unit is not polluting, but it's very informative for me today's laws. I thank all the members who are here, officials from PCB and other departments, media, and I also thank Swan Environment Limited to support this event. Thank you.